Hey guys, it's Shikemi Olabisi, the farm lady, and you're welcome back to another amazing and interesting video. So now that I'm fully back to Lagos, at least for now, I decided to set up a mini hatchery where I can work from, and I'm basically going to be showing you guys the whole hassle and all it took me in order to set this up. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So if you know Lagos very well, you have to shine your eyes, and I wasn't gonna allow anyone to run me straight, so I basically called the carpenter and asked him for a small quote, what I'm going to be needing, the wood, the roofing sheets and every other thing basically. So he gave me his list, the sizes of wood I'm going to be using. I think I used about 3 sizes of wood, 2x2, 2x3 and 2x4, yes, basically. So he gave me the prices, and as a Lagos babe, yeah, I followed him to the sawmill, as you can see. So I got here and we're here waiting for them to cut down, split the wood basically into sizes, and we were there for quite a while. Getting a vehicle to bring it down to my house was something else. Well, yeah, we had no choice because let's get it done and done as soon as possible. So at this point I was tired and I had to eat, as you can see. There is need for one to have enough energy for this kind of work. So the major reason I actually followed the carpenter was to get to know the prices of some of these things in case I'm going to need to set up another one, and then I can easily do an estimate on my own without having to call the carpenter. So yeah, that was it basically, and yeah, it was worth it. So we bought the woods, as you can see. We got the vehicle eventually, and then we got home, offloaded, and that was just part 1. So next up is setting up. So the next day the carpenters came and set up the foundation, and here they are covering up with tarpaulin, and they finished up quite late. And this is me checking it out, you know, just taking a look basically and seeing what it looks like after the work. And yeah, that's it basically, and this is what it looks like on the outside. Basically, I tried to explain to the carpenter that I needed an opening at the top of the tarpaulin, or of the building rather, so fresh air can easily flow in and flow out without having issues with dissolved oxygen at the end of the day, because you know it's the atmospheric oxygen that condenses into the water, right? So we actually need enough ventilation in this hatchery. So yeah, that's it basically. Yeah, so this is what it looks like from the top. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the top, and I think we're good to go. But I'm scared because I don't know if all 3 tarpaulin will fit into this. Okay, so the guys who deliver the tarpaulin, shout out to Catfish Enterprise. He did an amazing job. It was timely, right on time. So they brought it quite late, you know, they found it was quite difficult to locate my place, but eventually, yeah, we got it down here, and that's it. So the next day they came to set up. Actually, we plan to fill up this place with sand, which we did earlier, and then we're also going to be layering under each of these tarpaulin ponds with another material so as to give it enough coverage and prevent it from any sort of sharp edges of some stones that might be under. So yeah, they were able to install two because the third one couldn't fit in, and I was like, oh god, I need to extend. And as you can see here, there is more wood and more asbestos roofing sheet because I just had to extend, and the carpenter came in. We extended again so as to fit in the last tarpaulin pond, and yeah, it wasn't planned at all. It wasn't planned. The whole fault was my fault. Yes, I'll take the blame, and the carpenter's fault. So it's correcting it here already. So we've extended it. We've extended it here, and then we're trying to open up this side so as to cover it in full. Okay, so this is what they are doing here basically, and yeah, that's it. Motunowo, man, I had to spend extra on this, but yeah, it's worth it. Actually, it's worth it. So yeah, they're removing it, and we'll see what it looks like at the end of the day. That means the tarpaulin guys still have to come back to install the last tarpaulin pond. So yeah, I actually put a call through to him, and they were quite nice to come and install the tarpaulin, install the outlet as well, and yeah, that was it. So yeah, this is what it looks like from outside after extension. And next up we got the tanks and the pipes for the water inlet. So basically the plumber will be coming in to install all this, and I'll update you guys. So it's been a long week from this to this, and what better way to relax and unwind. I went for a friend's wedding. Shout out to you, Coco. Happy married life. Yeah, so this is me here just feeling myself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. I'm going to be updating you guys basically on the next things that are going to be put in place, the plumbing work and every other thing. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, turn on your post notification bell, and sit back and relax because it's gonna be an amazing journey together. So thank you guys. I remain your home girl, Shikemi Olabisi, the farm lady, and it's bye for now. Ciao.